What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to view your keyboard shortcuts for Windows 11, for Windows 10, 8.1, or for Windows 7. It doesn't matter what version of Windows you have. This support site pretty much has all of it covered, so I'm going to show you how to get to it. If you want to get to it the quickest way, my suggestion is to just Google Windows keyboard shortcuts, and this will be the first result, support.microsoft.com. I will put the link to this guy in the description, but what I wanted to mention is that Windows also directs you to this site, so even more proof. Like if I search tips here, and then I go tips, Windows keyboard shortcuts, go to the next page, and then I go click see more keyboard shortcuts. Guess what site it's going to bring me to? The exact same one. Okay, so basically you can view a bunch of different things. As you can see, if I minimize this, you can see copy paste and other general keyboard shortcuts, Windows logo keyboard shortcuts, and other things like File Explorer, settings. So it depends on what app, like these certain Windows apps like the settings app or the File Explorer app has its own keyboard shortcuts. Even Firefox right now has its own keyboard shortcuts, but some of these general ones still apply. So I want to show a couple off really quick. Obviously Control C and Control V, copy and paste, work, but as you can see right here, F5 refresh the active window. If I do it here right now, boom, it refreshes my window. So I guess just to keep it short, I'm not going to show off all these keyboard shortcuts, but you can see a bunch, like even for command prompt, if you want some quick shortcuts, this is what you can see. So, and you can see for different versions, as I said before. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.